Alright, so this morning I'm on my way to Rhode Island to pick up a part, we'll call it, something that kind of fell in my lap. On possibly the next phase of the Jeep build. I had a person on Facebook who I've wheeled with a couple times, he's clearing out his shop and just said, hey, I got these things, anybody want them? And sure as heck I asked a couple questions and, he said, come and get them. So, I'm not going to ruin the surprise right away. So I'm going to, we're taking a small hour, a little over an hour, hour and a half trip to Rhode Island to check it out. So stay tuned. So I just got done picking up my secret part from the shop in Rhode Island, and I guess I'll take the cat out of the bag. I picked up a Stroker 4.0. Well, it's not a 4.0 anymore, but it's a Stroker. I don't have a lot of details on it. I just know that it is a Stroker. It's a long block, so I just need the intake manifold, which I would need anyway because it came off a carved Jeep, as well as an oil pan, which is not the biggest deal in the world. It's an engine that came out of, I believe, Titan Engineering. So I'm going to have to contact them and see if I can get some information on this engine. But I'm pretty excited. And to be completely honest, I wasn't really looking for this modification. I happened to see it posted on some local groups on Facebook that I belong to, and I kind of jumped into it. And the owner of the engine knew that I had a YouTube channel and thought that he would make great content, so he's like, just come and get it. So, big thanks out to Chris V, for the engine. This is awesome. I'm not going to drop everything and drop this Stroker in the Jeep. What I'm going to need to do is rebuild it, go through it, and just make sure everything's good to go before I drop it in the Jeep anyway. So I might wait until it gets a little warmer and start tearing it down little by little, just check everything, make sure it's good to go. But I have a Stroker engine in my shed. Fantastic.